Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is the place where we talk about SanTech, share valuable tips, and create content just for you. If you're looking to learn, grow, or simply enjoy great videos, you're in the right place. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and welcome to the family. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll walk you through a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to install ERPNext v16 on a Linux Ubuntu 24.04 server, from initial setup to production deployment. Let's get started. In this video, we'll cover everything: preparing the server, installing required dependencies, configuring the database, setting up the Frappe Bench environment, installing ERPNext itself, and finally, enabling your site with a custom domain and SSL certificate. This guide works on a fresh Ubuntu 24.04 server with SSH access. First, log in to your server using SSH. Once connected, update your system packages with sudo apt-update-y and sudo apt-upgrade-y to ensure your system is up to date. Next, it's good practice to set your time zone using timedatectl set time zone, which helps avoid time sync issues in ERPNext. Then create a dedicated user account with sudo privileges. We don't run installations as root for security. Now we install essential system packages like Git, curl, and Python development tools. Ubuntu comes with Python 3.12, but ERPNext v16 requires Python 3.14, so we install it using UV, a modern Python version manager. You'll also install Redis Server, used by the ERPNext queue system, and WK-HTM-PDF for PDF generation. Next, install MariaDB 11.8. This is the database backend for ERPNext. After installing, run sudo mysql secure installation to secure your database server, set a root password, and remove test users. Then, update MariaDB's configuration to use UTF-MB4 as the default character set for better international support. Next, ERPNext also needs JavaScript tooling, so install Node.js 24 and npm, then use npm to install Yarn globally, which will be used for building front-end assets. Time to install Frappe Bench, the command line tool that manages Frappe and ERPNext sites. With UV installed, run UV tool install Frappe Bench, then initialize a new bench environment with bench init --frappe-branch version -16 Frappe Bench. This will create the necessary folder structure to host your ERPNext instance. Inside the bench directory, create a new site using bench new site site1.local. You'll be prompted to set an administrator password. This automatically creates a MariaDB database and installs the Frappe framework on this site. To run ERPNext in production, we'll use Supervisor to manage background processes and Nginx as the web server. First, install Ansible, then run bench setup production your user. Once complete, use bench setup Nginx to configure Nginx, then restart supervisor services to ensure everything is running. With the environment ready, fetch the ERPNext app from GitHub with bench get app --branch version -16 ERPNext. Then install it on your site using bench -site1.local install-app ERPNext. If you also want HRMS or other modules, repeat the get app and install app commands for each. And that's it. You now have ERPNext v16 installed and running on Ubuntu 24.04, ready for business. Drop a comment if you run into any issues, or hit like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more amazing content. See you soon.